Game Dev Journey. Hey everyone, it's Rob here from Game Dev Journey. I've been looking around for great Godot tutorial channels, and this is what I have to recommend this week. Completely Cooked Games is a channel which only started on the 24th of March. Their plan is to do a video series about rapid prototyping video game development. The games are also playable on their itch page. Their first video is an Overcooked clone, basically a co-op local multiplayer game in Godot using Blender and Inkscape. The entire game prototype is made in 8 hours. It's really incredible, and I can see that this channel is gonna blow up. Do yourself a favor and check it out. You'll be back for more, I can guarantee it. Next up is Artindi. He was recommended to me by YouTube. Thanks YouTube! His channel is incredible. He makes content on video game development, devlogs, reviews, essays, tutorials, and anything else related to making indie games. Importantly, Artindi has a whole playlist of Godot tutorials and another one on game design. Artindi already has a strong subscriber following, but for anyone who isn't subbed yet, you should do that now, because this channel is essential viewing for all of us. Chekhov is working on a game called Benthic Zone and has a Discord server where you can learn more about it. Recently on his channel, he's been posting brief tutorials and tips for the Godot engine, which are really useful when you're searching for a solution to a specific problem. Chekhov is another channel that you should subscribe to, as it's a handy resource for all Godot devs. Beider has been posting quick Godot tutorials for a long while, but I only discovered him recently. As my aim is to make more people aware of channels which make great content for the Godot engine, I have to highlight his channel and strongly suggest that you head over there and see what you can learn from Vegard now. Finally, we come to Senbu Creates. Senbu loves modern technology and tools and creating projects with them. His channel is a great starting point for those who are new to the Godot engine, as his videos are aimed at newcomers and explain things in a beginner-friendly way. So if you want to get started with Godot, then Senbu's channel is one to sub to. That's all I have time for this week. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you all again next time.